Hey, do you want to know how to make like a really good grilled cheese? Well, first you need some rye bread and some Munster cheese and some butter, stuff that's not butter, and maybe even Doritos and a pan and a spatula to flip it with. So first you're gonna want to put your bread on a plate like that. And then you just wanna get that butter or non-butter. Get your knife out and just slather that all over your bread. Make it look real nice and tasty. Then, I want to put it butter side down in your pan on the stove. Now and then you're going to want to get your cheese out. It's okay if you struggle at first like I did. Perfectly normal. Then you're going to want to put that piece of cheese on there. Next, you're going to go back and open your bag of Doritos. And you're going to break them up a bit. Easier to put them in a little container so you have them in a nice centralized location. And voila, there you have it. Then you're going to want to go back to your bread in the pan and just distribute your Doritos as such inside the sandwich there on top of the cheese. And then, move them around a little bit, make sure they're all inside a piece of bread. Get another piece of cheese out, put it on top. Another piece of bread, this time butter side up. Then you're going to want to turn on that stove, get that nice flame going. Next, you'll want to get your spatula stuck to the top piece of bread. Just kidding, don't do that. Then after it's been on there for a few minutes, flip that baby over and get that nice sizzle going. My favorite thing about making grilled cheese is obviously the sizzle. So flip it back over again. Both sides, do the same exact thing, listen to that sizzle. And then, once you're finished now with both sides, turn the stove off, because you don't want to leave that on and burn your house down. Now take grilled cheese out, put it on your plate, and if you want to, you can cut it down the middle, you can cut it diagonally, cut it at fourths, eighths, tenths, however you want, or you don't even have to cut it at all. But this is your finished product. You're gonna have a really nice looking grilled cheese sandwich ready for you to eat. And what do you do once you're ready to eat it? Well, I don't know. Maybe you should just eat it and enjoy.